Welcome to the Lion City. Imagine a place where futuristic architecture meets lush greenery, where every corner is a photo-worthy moment and every street leads to an adventure. Yes, we are talking about Singapore, a city that's more than just a stopover. It's a destination bursting into life and color. Today, we are diving into 5 must-visit Singapore tourist attractions that will make your trip unforgettable, from jaw-dropping views to immersive experiences. These Singapore tourist spots are perfect for every traveler, so buckle up and let's explore the best of the city-state. On our list is the legendary Marina Bay Sands SkyPark observation deck. Perched at 57 stories above the city, this isn't just a view, it's a window into the heart of Singapore. Step up onto the deck and you'll be suspended above the skyline. From here, you can see the entire city, the shining Marina Bay, the sleek Garden by the Bay, and even pieces of Indonesia on a clear day. Don't forget to bring your camera. The sunset is pure magic. Next up is the Art Science Museum, where art and technology combine in the most captivating way. In the shape of a lotus flower, this stunning pet-friendly site in Singapore is packed with ever-evolving exhibitions that captivate individuals of all ages. Whether you are seeing interactive digital art or mind-bending science display, the museum invites you to see creativity anew. It's perfect for families, solo travelers, or anyone after an unforgettable Singapore tourist destination. If Singapore is the skyscrapers in your head, reconsider. The Garden by the Bay, Super Tree Grove is a breathing, living fantasy rhyme of nature and technology. The vertical gardens that boom 50 meters above ground cover the city with their nighttime glow, lighting up in an awesome, inspiring sound and light spectacle. Walking by these super trees is like stepping into a science fiction world, and it's definitely one of Singapore's must-see spots for memories to be etched a lifetime. Within walking distance is the Cloud Forest Dome, a tropical cloud forest paradise featuring a 35-meter tall indoor waterfall. The dome replicates the cool and moist climates of tropical mountain regions, giving visitors a whirl of Singapore natural tourist spots. Stroll along the boardwalk suspended in mid-air and explore exotic flora from around the world. The Cloud Forest Dome is more than a garden, it's an adventure, a perfect place for photo taking and a refreshing break from the urban chaos. Finally, we have Flower Dome, the world's largest grass greenhouse. Step inside and you can find 5 continents worth of landscape, packed with flowers and plants that bloom year-round. This Singapore tourist spot offers nature beauty in a manner which will leave you speechless. It's not a visit, it's a world tour without leaving Singapore. And that's it. 5 of the most beautiful Singapore tourist spots you just can't afford to miss. Number 1. Marina Bay Sands SkyPark Observation Deck. 2nd. Art Science Museum. 3rd. Garden by the Bay Super Tree Grove. 4th. Cloud Forest Dome. 5th. Flower Dome. Well, what are you waiting for? Pack your camera, your curiosity, and your sense of adventure, because Singapore awaits. Before you go, I want to know from you, which of these Singapore top spots would you visit first? Tell me in the comments below. And if you like this guide, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Remember, the world is full of amazing places to explore in Singapore, and these 5 are just the beginning.